So here is how to cash out with Google.
So first off, open a new browser or any other browser that you're using and search for Google Trend. So I'm using Google Chrome, so I'm going to use this Google Chrome and search for Google Trend. Then I will hit on enter. Enter, this will pop up. Just choose the first website. That's the main website for Google Trend. And this screen will pop up. That's the main screen or the dashboard of Google Trend. Head on to trending now. These are the main topics that you're trending in Ghana right here. So I'm going to go and change it. So I'm going to change the location to United States, right? So I'm going to go for the first one. That's the game that's contain 1 million views. Okay. So I'm going to use that one. If I can hit on it, and it will take you to here. Yeah, the article that will be written about this kind of topic, right? So I'm going to choose the first one, right? So if you look at here, all these are articles that have been written about this kind of topic. I choose the first one, I hit on the articles, and open this news or this article for you. What are we going to do is we are just going to copy the link of this article, and open a new tab, search for ChatGPT. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to do me some favor out here, right? So the question that I'm asking ChatGPT, hi, I want to give you a blog articles link, write a similar article for me. Then I will paste the link that I copy from that article. I'll paste the link here, and then I hit on generate, or I hit on enter. This ChatGPT is going to write everything from me. Okay, so you're going to write different articles, but it will be similar or contain the same news about that kind of words, right? So what I'm going to do is to come to the main articles or the main blog. I read about the blog, then I go back to my articles and check if everything that is found or it is similar to the same thing that ChatGPT just gave to me right here. Okay, so I will just come in and read something small about it. Next thing, you're going to generate our voice, right? So go to and use this website 11 Labs. So 11 Labs is an AI voice generator. So we're going to use it to generate our voice. Okay, so we're going to turn the article, the AI, that's what the ChatGPT wrote for us, into a voice note, okay, into a voice that we're going to use it to and make sure we get our content right here. So we're going to turn the article into a voice. So you head on to here, that's 11 Lab. You log in either your email address or any other account that you're using. Then you log in. What are you going to do? Hit on text to speech. So on text to speech, come to the dashboard, go out there and copy the articles from ChatGPT, right? So we are going to copy everything from here from ChatGPT. Then we go back to our 11 Labs website. Then we paste the articles out here. Okay, so I come back here, I paste the articles here. Now I can change the voice, okay, and pick a voice that I want, right? But note, before you generate the articles, make sure, or the voice, make sure you make some editing about it so that you make it sound like a human voice, okay, or a good articles, okay. So you can remove the title and other stuff from it. Then you hit on generate. So you're going to generate everything for you right now. Let's get back to our articles, the original articles. Some of the articles contain some pictures and videos and other stuff, but this one it just contain only one picture, right? So now we need a video, or we need an images to make our video sound good right here. So we come to get the image, we are going to use YouTube. Okay, so come to YouTube, copy the main topic, that's the main topic here. Okay, so you copy that main topic, then you go to YouTube, then you paste the topic here, search for it. YouTube is going to open everything for you so that you know some the videos that people have created about this kind of topics that I are talking about right here. So when I paste it, I will see this one here. So these are from the main the company website right here. Okay, so the main company website is this one. Then you scroll down, you check for other stuff. We have some shorts and other stuff out here. To download the images, it just is very easy and simple, right? So we're going to open this website called save from. So I'm going to use this save from or any other website that you can use to download a video from YouTube and TikTok. You can use that one. So I'm going to use this one. Then I hit on download to download my other course right there, right? So to download the video that I want, so I'll just hit on that one. Okay, so to download it, just click on share and copy the link of that video. Then you come to this website, then you paste it here. It will give you everything here. Then you come back and hit on download. So we're going to download everything for you. Right now we have got our voice, we have got our image and our video and other stuff. The next step is to what, for us to edit our video.
So if you look at what we've been doing right here right now is we are creating a video, that's a news video, right, that you'll be posting these videos on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok and other stuff, and you'll be earning from it, right? So this is the whole thing that we are doing. So this whole thing is we are not going to show our face, we are not going to show ourselves and other stuff. So all that we are going to do is what, just create it, copy and paste it, and you post it on any other channel or platform that you want, and you start earning from it, right? So this is the whole thing that we are doing, and this is the meaning of me doing all this thing.
So to edit a video, head on to any video editor. So I'm using CapCut, so I'm going to open CapCut right here, and this is the screen of CapCut. Then I need to make sure I brought in the videos that I downloaded and the voiceover that I downloaded. Okay, so this is our media out here, and I'm going to edit this media. So what I need to do is to bring it to the timeline, right? So the timeline is where you'll be able to and edit the video. Okay, so when I put the video here, I can play the video and see the original video, how it sounds and other stuff. Okay, so when I play it, this is how it sounds, and you can use this one to stretch it. Okay, so let me play it for to see how it sounds. Okay, so this is the video, how the video looks and other stuff. And note, you're not going to face any copyright issue. What are you going to do is there's no copyright here. Okay, then I come back and bring the audio. Okay, so now we're going to decrease the volume of this video, right? The original video, we're going to remove the voice down there. Okay, so to remove it, you go to the video, the voice or the audio section, then you reduce the voice out, then you bring your generated voice over, that's the one that we created from ChatGPT. Then you play it, you think that it will sound like a created version, everything will be cool and it will match the video. Okay, it will match the video, and you can cut the original video, mix it in a different way and other stuff to make your video sound or look different from the one that you downloaded from the main website. Okay, so after you've done with everything, just simple, you just go out there and export your video into your gallery. Now we have got our video. What that we are going to do is everything is set, so when we play it like this, you see that our video look good and stuff. And sometimes you'll be able to download some of the pictures and other stuff to make your video sound different and other stuff, right? So this one, we don't have any images, all that we have is what, the video right here. So we're going to use the video. You can double the video to make it sound or match the total number. Okay, that's what to sound the total voice that we got. Okay, so this is how it look like. So after we've done with all these tasks, our video is set, our content is set. So this is how I'm editing it. So okay, so you can editing it and you can cut from some of the portion of this video which is not good. You cut it, then you delete it. Okay, you cut it, then you delete it. If you want to split it, okay, you want to cut it, just use split and you split it, then you delete it. Okay, then you bring it to match everything here, right? So I'm just demonstrating this one. You can go out there and learn how to edit this video and other stuff. You can find a lot of videos on YouTube and other stuff to learn on how you can edit a video and other stuff. So to export it, you hit on export. This here, you can export it to your timeline, and you don't need to use a pro version and other stuff. This is the free version that I use, and you also can use it and edit your video.
So to monetize this content, it's just easy and simple. Or start earning your $150 every week, every month from this content. It's just easy and simple. What that you need to do is head on to Facebook right here. So you get to Facebook, you scroll down, that's your Facebook profile account. You scroll down, then you get to where it is written pages. Click on that one and you head on to where the pages is. What that we are going to do is we are going to create a new page on Facebook, and this new page that you are creating, you're going to post the video that you have created out there. Okay, complete the requirement that Facebook wants you to get before you get monetized. Then you monetize your content out here on Facebook right here. And the other thing is you're going to use and YouTube. Okay, and YouTube, you create a channel on YouTube. That's a news channel on YouTube. You start posting your content on YouTube, and the requirement for you to get monetized is to get your 100 subscribers and you get your 4K watch hour. Then you'll be able to monetize your channel. And you know, as a news channel, you're creating a news channel focusing on these trending topics. You'll be able to monetize your channel within a few minutes, within a few days and stuff, and you start getting money from YouTube. The other way to get money from this, or to get money from your content, is that after you have done with it, make sure you join an affiliate program. There are so many affiliate programs out there, but I recommend you join this affiliate program. I'll put the link in the description. You join this affiliate program called Digistem. They sell only digital courses, so you are going to promote the digital courses for people. When they they buy the courses through your link, you make money from it. So I'll put that link in the description. You click it, then you start monetizing your content, right? And you can join different affiliate programs. It depends on your niche, what you go for. Okay, and we have some affiliate program like Craigman, Digistore 24, Amazon associate program. Then you start putting your link in the description. Then you start making sales from this content that you're creating right here. So this is how to make your first $100 from Google by not making or showing your face